Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a General HP40W, gonna do a tune-up report for Joe at IRH Trucking, and that's in Florida. Okay, Joe's got an amplifier switch on the back, and we got a high and low power switch on the front. So let's start with the amplifier switch off. It will be a low power in the front as well. And let's see, almost at 1 watt, just a little bit less. And on high power, a little over 4 watts. Now the peak power there, we got 25 slug. Let's be reading on the top here. Audio. And that goes right to 25 now. Low power. Is somewhat under 15 there. Okay, so now while I'm still in low, I'm going to throw that switch in the back, turn the amplifier on. Okay, so now with the amplifier on and low power, we have 3 watts on low. Let me switch this over. Now we're on 100 scale on top. And I'll throw the switch to high power, we get 30 watts. So over here, I'll change it to my 250 slug. So again, we're looking at the top, so now we're going to add a 0. So that's 100. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. There you go, 4 different, so 1, 2, 3, 4 different power levels. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check?
Yeah, it works.
Appreciate it, thank you.